It started with a shared umbrella. Mira was stranded outside the cafe, rain pouring harder than her emotions could hide. Her phone was dead, her ride cancelled, and her heart recently broken. Then he showed up, Rayan, the quiet guy from her writing class. He didn't say much, just extended his umbrella with a small smile. They walked in silence. Just the soft rhythm of rain and their footsteps on the sidewalk. It wasn't awkward, it was peaceful, like they had known each other in another life. Outside her apartment, she finally spoke. "You didn't have to walk me. I wanted to," he said softly. "Rain's better when you share it." She smiled. The next morning, she found a note tucked inside her mailbox. "If the sky cries again, I'll be waiting." Same umbrella. Same heart. Moral: sometimes, love doesn't arrive loudly. It arrives quietly. Under an umbrella.